Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a top luxury beginner kit. So I'm going to be putting all the products on my face, my top 10 or 12-ish products on my face, giving you this look today. Top luxury kit for beginners. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a very special video because I'm collaborating with my dear friend Gigiz Makeup here on YouTube. Gigi is fantastic. She gets a video up almost every single day, sometimes 2 in one day. I don't know how she does it. She has 2 little boys running around, ages 2 and 4. She's very informative. She specializes in luxury makeup. She's super detailed in all her videos. She's gorgeous, and I highly suggest you visit her channel. I will have it listed and linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Gigi, for collaborating with me on this video. And let's just go ahead and get started. All right, let's start with product application. For my first product I have is the Tatcha Kissu Lip Sleeping Mask. And it looks like this right here. So this is just a very luxurious feeling gloss for the lips before I go in with my makeup, so that when I'm ready for my lip product, my lips are already very, very soft and hydrated. Now going in with primer, I'm taking my Dior Universal Backstage Primer, and I'm just going to place this on the perimeters of my face. This just gives the face such a glow. It reduces pores. It reduces the look of pores. And it just leaves the skin looking radiant. Now let's go into brows. I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel Brow. I love this because I love that it has this triangular tip here, and it also has a spoolie. So I'm going to spoolie my eyebrows up and then apply the product. I just think it helps my brows look so voluminous and sculpted and put together. And Charlotte Tilbury always does a great job with her products. I can't go without my Becca Under Eye Corrector for my dark circles. So I just place a little bit of this in the dark socket where I have the darkest circles and underneath the eye, and spread it. Do you see how that instantly brightens the dark circles I have on my face and just gets rid of any discoloration? Makes me look more awake, lifted, alive. I love this product. Now let's get into eyeshadow. I chose the Charlotte Tilbury Copper Charge Quad. It looks like this. It's really stunning for brown eyes. So let's get into the application of this. And here we have that special shade. Look at that. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take this matte shade here and run it all along the lower lash line from inner corner to outer corner. Just look at how seamless this blend is. This quad is so flattering for brown and green eyes. For liner, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Mesmerizing Maroons and just tight line my upper lash line. Take it into a wing a little bit. Just a little wing. And I don't go over the whole entire eye, just on the outer corner. For mascara, I'm going into my NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. This gives extreme length on lashes, and I really absolutely adore it. Let's get into foundation. I chose my Tom Ford Soft Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 4.7 Cool Beige. So the top just lifts out like this. I'm going to apply it to my face. This leaves the skin looking very hydrated. It's not a typical matte. It just leaves the skin with a little bit of radiance, and it's just effortless. It lasts all day. Can't say enough good things about it. Just look at the skin. It's beautiful, it's perfect. It's radiant, it's not matte, it's not harsh on the skin. It's just beautiful. For concealer, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer, and I'm in the shade 4, Light Pale. I like this because it's nice and full coverage, but it's lightweight at the same time. Use it to highlight my forehead and my chin. Under eyes look healthy, they look radiant. I love that concealer. So I'm going to go into a cream highlight product from Charlotte Tilbury. Again, I'm almost out of this. It's so, so good. It is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Spotlight. It looks like this. I just take a little bit. Some light. And I take a beauty blender and blend that out. As you can see, it's just radiant, beautiful. So there's the highlight, stunning highlight. For powder, I'm gonna be using my Hourglass powder. This is really great because it gives the perfect amount of powder. All you have to do is turn it upside down, hit it once, and it leaves the perfect amount of powder needed to set the entire face. So I'm going to set the face. And what this powder does is it leaves the skin so soft focused, it blurs the pores, it just makes the skin look totally airbrushed. I love it. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer, my Omega. This is just the perfect tone for my face. It blends out seamlessly, even if you put too much on. It's just gorgeous. So for blush, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in Pillow Talk, my favorite. So I just go like this and I pop it in the center and just apply to the cheeks. This is seamless, it's gorgeous. It leaves a little bit of radiance. I pop a little bit on my nose. Just getting the luxury experience with Charlotte Tilbury products. She is by far my favorite. A little on the forehead and on the chin. And for highlight, I'm taking the Dior Backstage Glitz palette. This is my favorite. I like to take these two shades right here and just apply them with a fluffy brush. They're not too harsh. They just give the most beautiful glow to the face. I'm going to apply that to my inner corners as well to give a little bit of life there. For lips, I'm going to take my MAC Whirl pencil. Then I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink. This is the Kissing Formula lipstick. Beautiful nude. And lastly, I'm taking the YSL No. 3 gloss and applying that over top, just in the center. An honorable mention would be my Hourglass finishing powders. I love these because they make the skin look so soft focused. I take a little fan brush like this, run through all three, and just see how it lightens up the face. Gives such a soft focused glow. It's my all over finishing powder. And lastly, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. You guys can see how much I love this. This just seals the makeup in. It has a slight rose fragrance, but nothing overpowering, and it locks the makeup in for a long, long time. Your makeup is not going anywhere with this spray. So there you have it. There are my luxury products for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go follow Gigi, and I'll have her channel listed and linked down below as well as her video. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye friends.